5 класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, страница 82. English, Spotlight 5, Making Suggestions, Homework page 82. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 82. English in use. Making suggestions. Exercise number 1, letter A. Listen and repeat. Which sentences can we use to make a suggestion? S. Respond to a suggestion. R. Слушайте и повторяйте, какие фразы мы можем использовать, чтобы предложить что-то, а какие, чтобы ответить на предложение. The answer. Sure, that's a good idea. How about going tomorrow? Why don't we go jogging in the park? Sounds great. Let's go shopping. Sorry, I'm busy this afternoon. How about going for coffee? Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1, letter B. Close your books. How many of phrases above can you remember? Закройте книги. Сколько фраз сможете вспомнить? And now we must do exercise number 2, letter A. Read and listen to the dialogues. What do Matt and David want to do? Do Jenny and Sally agree? Прочитайте и прослушайте диалоги. Чего хотят Мэгги и Дэвид? Согласны ли Дженни и Салли? Letter A. Matt. Hi, Jenny. Are you free this afternoon? Why? Let's go shopping. I want to buy some new football boots. Sorry, I'm busy this afternoon. How about going tomorrow? Sure, that's a good idea. Okay, see you at 5 o'clock then. Letter B. Hello, Sally. What are you doing? Nothing really. Why don't we go jogging in the park? No, thanks. I'm very tired. How about going for a coffee? Sounds great. The answer. Matt wants to go shopping. David wants to go jogging in the park. Jenny wants to go shopping, but the next day. Sally doesn't want to go jogging. She wants to go for a coffee. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Invite your friend to the cinema, zoo, park. Use the sentences in exercise number 1, letter A. Record yourselves. Пригласите своего друга в кино, зоопарк, парк. Используйте предложения из упражнения 1А. Запишите себя. The answer. Hi, Vladimir. Are you free this afternoon? Why? Let's go to the zoo. Sorry, I'm busy this afternoon. I got a music lesson. How about going tomorrow? Sure. Okay, see you at 6 then. My dear friends, we do exercise number 4. Listen and repeat. Think of 2 more words with the same sounds. O – short, A – park. Придумайте еще 2 слова с такими же звуками. The answer. O – morning, sport, 40, bored, corner, horn, tortoise. A – garden, mug, parliament, start. Arts, duck, mug, yard, scarf, architect, article, arm, carpet. My dear friends, boys and girls, the lesson is over. Goodbye.